definitely going to do the nose 180 how-to. Warm up, just do. That's how you properly warm up, so you just want to get that one out of the way. First shooter of the day. Now we don't have to worry about it at all. So we're going to start with just some basics. The first thing you want to know is how to do a nose press to get yourself comfortable being steep on the front tire. So we're going to just run through a couple just basic nose presses, 2 fakie, and then we'll transition from there into a nose press 180, where we're going to get comfortable just swinging the back end while in the nose press, and that's going to all build muscle memory into doing the nose 180. So let's do a couple of those, get warmed up. The nose press is a very simple process that can be done without knowing how to bunny hop. It can also improve your fakies. You're going to want to start by allowing your momentum to be absorbed by the front tire, pushing your bars down, and while scooping with your pedals and bending your knees. This is going to allow you to also use your back foot to swing the back end and allow your bike to come around, and using your momentum coming out of the nose press, you'll be able to do your fakie and roll out. The best thing about this trick is that you can do it anywhere on just about anything, whether it's a curb, a ledge, or a wall, something small, something big. It's something you can let evolve, you can let it progress with your skill level, and it's a super fun trick. It's definitely got to be one of my favorite tricks, and it's something you can do on almost any setup. So go out, have some fun, start slow, work at your own pace, and I hope this helps you do some nose 180s, some nollies, and nose presses. I had a ton of fun making this. I even ended up stepping up my nose 180 game and doing it on a setup that I've never done before. I'm going to drop that last clip at the end of this video, so thank everybody for watching. Subscribe, and I'm sure to do more how-tos, especially as the weather gets better. So thanks for watching, and we'll see what we come up with in the next one.